Hello everyone. Today on Shark and Cook, we are making Hillbilly Bake Beans. It's a delicious dish to add to any family get-together. So let's get started. Spray your crock pot with cooking spray. Then you're going to want to add 1 pound of 90-10 ratio ground beef and break it up. One medium onion chopped. One and a half cups water. One and a half cups of your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using Stubbs original barbecue sauce. Like I said, you can use whatever you want. One can of Bush's Homestyle Baked Beans, that's a 28-ounce can. One can of kidney beans with the juice. That's a 15.5-ounce can. And 1 can of butter beans, drained, and that's a 15.5-ounce can. Now crush 8 pieces of bacon up. Give it a stir. Put the lid on and set it to high for 4 hours or low for 6 hours. And come back in every now and then and give it a stir. It's been 2 hours. I'm going to give it a quick stir. I think I'm going to leave the lid off for about an hour. See if it thickens up some. I don't want it to be runny. So I'll see you in an hour. Okay, it's been 3.5 hours. And I think it looks good. It's nice and thick. So what I'm going to do is put it in a nice serving bowl. And I'll be back. That is really delicious. Really good. I'm sure your whole family will enjoy it. It's going to be nice for a picnic, especially with Labor Day coming up. It'd be nice to make that. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye.